Good morning. I picked up this Almago. It's a file, battery operated. You can hear that? It makes a little bit of noise. It's not real loud. And I'm going to show you on my little puppy here. I originally got this from my other dog, but there's no way he will let me do his nails. Whoops. Hang on, sweetheart. So I just picked up a puppy too. And I'll show you. She doesn't seem to mind it. See, she doesn't mind it. Such a good little girl. It works really good. Okay, I'm going to show you on me. Here, get down for a minute now, honey. Be a good girl. There's an area here for bigger nails and little small nails like for her. And this cover comes right off, so you've got the whole grinder right here. And I can also use it on mine. It works well. You can see it's kind of smoking a little bit. Just it's nail dust coming off. My nails really need a good filing, and I kept them like this so I could show you. There, see how nice that rounded off? ALMAGO is the company. It's a very nice file. And in the here it takes 2 batteries. They didn't come with the unit. You had to provide your own batteries. Bella, don't fall off the porch. It just snaps together. It's very handy. I love it for myself and now for my little girl that I'm going to train her to let me cut her nails. My other dog, I have to take him in. So, very good product. I recommend this to everybody that needs a file for cats, dogs. It works really well for bird beaks. Instead of using a Dremel, I'm afraid of Dremels because they're so powerful. And this is got a really, it's powerful, but it's not as bad as having an electric Dremel. There's my baby. You could also use it like on squirrels' teeth or any other, animal that you have for a pet that their teeth overgrow. You could file them off with this. Bird beaks, nails, my own, so it's not just for pets. It's a pretty nice product. Enjoy.